Most travel content makes you feel like you need more energy than you actually have. More planes, more excitement, more movement. But this video isn't for women who want to do more. It's for the woman who wants to arrive calmer than she left. If that is you, definitely stay. This is Nick&Nadine. Let's slow this down. In returning and rest, you shall be saved. In quietness and confidence shall be your strength. Isaiah 30, verse 15. I used to rush through travel, as if moving faster would make it easier. The last time I traveled to Canada, I became so sick. So this time, I let myself move slowly, even here. Before boarding, I stepped away to wash my hands and refresh my face. As we lifted, the turbulence started. I closed my eyes, and instead of racing, I focused on God, and my body followed. Once we were in the air, I prepared my space. Flying dries your skin out more than people realize. The air is harsh, your body actually feels it. So instead of pushing through, I gave my skin what it needed. This mask is deeply hydrating and helps protect the skin barrier, which matters when you're in recycled air for hours. I get cold easily, so I close the window and pull the blanket up.
We'll be starting our descent shortly to Toronto. Advance by to the cabin to collect anything you would like to dispose of. Thank you in advance for having those ready for us. Mesdames et messieurs, nous allons bientôt commencer la descente vers Toronto. Nous passerons dans la cabine pour ramasser tout ce dont vous voulez vous débarrasser. Merci de me faire un annoncement.
Canada greeted us with cold air and familiar light. I think because I was so relaxed, everything just felt very steady. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. At this point during the trip, I wasn't worried about doing everything. I was more worried about landing safely. Oh, look, it's so pretty. So I think this hotel is called the Great Escapes. It's so beautiful. Look at the tree. That is like a simple, traditional look for your tree. And look at the top of that tree. Isn't that pretty? Look, isn't it pretty? So pretty. Simple and traditional. I love it. Everything is so traditional. I love that look. It never gets stale. Oh my gosh, look at that chandelier unit. That is gorgeous. This is a huge hotel. Oh my gosh. Room tour time. Here is the bathroom. I'm just walking in for the first time. Oh, I'm just remembering I forgot to bring shower shoes. So there's the mirror. The toilet there. I hate seeing the toilets open. That drives me insane in the membrane. So there's a little mirror. It's very nice and spacious. My camera's not oriented right. There is the bed. So we got two of these beds. It's a lot of space. I didn't expect this. Very nice. Two chairs to sit in. You guys are seeing two lamps. I'll show you guys the view. So like this is a whole, you guys, there's no light, but like there's a chest, like a wardrobe right there. And then there's a little fridge. I will assume that there's no bar here. Where do we go and get the bar? Chateau Elan. Yeah, it's an empty fridge, so that's good. There's water, a desk. There's my editing station right there. There's a little bench right here, and of course our luggage. And that's it. Okay, let me show you the most important thing. The view. Look, there's a racetrack. We could watch the races while we're here. We are exhausted right now, so we're gonna go get something to eat, and then we're gonna go to sleep. So, welcome to Canada, guys. So we have to walk through the casino to get our food, but that's not for us. This gambling thing is not our deal. So we're gonna skip out. We'll take a look, but that's all we're doing. We're not, no. Nope. We don't gamble. We don't gamble. Okay, we're trying to find food. There's some restaurants and some fast food, so that's what we're headed for right now. Oh, by the way, I didn't even say welcome to the vlog. Welcome to the vlog. We're in Canada. This was kind of unexpected. Like, expected but unexpected. We were supposed to do this earlier, but we didn't, so we're here now. There's a few restaurants, that's one. We're so hungry. Look, we ate all the food almost. Well, I didn't eat mine, but Nick's is gone. We're gonna have to try again with the next meal. I woke up to horses running this morning. I'm trying to make my screen bigger to get a good look. Look, there's horses over there. Look, I woke up this morning and I came here and looked. I've been up for a little while because I wake up super early most mornings. And I came here and there are horses running. I don't know if you could see. I try to increase the magnification. Let me increase it a little bit more for you guys. I don't know if you could see, but there's a guy coming around here. Let's see if we could see him. Life is already moving, so I don't even have to chase it. Do you guys see? Look, isn't that cool? To wake up in the morning and see those beautiful horses being ridden. Isn't that cute? Look at the white one. Isn't that cool? It's cute. It's amazing. Wow. It's like a white one coming down here. Oh, there's another one coming. Crazy. There's another one. These paper straws are absolutely getting on top of my last nerve. They melt so easily. By the time we went to breakfast, we just decided to call it brunch. Quality of that cream. Look at it. It's not, look, it's so good. Oh my gosh, I can do so much stuff with that cream. Brunch happens when the world was moving all around us. I didn't feel rushed. I didn't feel behind. It was great. This is Parmesan and chicken Parmesan, right, Ben? Yeah. Chicken Parmesan, and this is a poke bowl.
That's soup.
No, snow. Know how you guys are doing it. It's cold. I can't live in the cold anymore. I'm convinced. I feel like I would just get sick every day. I cannot. This life is that's for yesteryear. This is not for me today. It's
Sure.
cold, right, man?
Yeah.
And I don't have a jacket. I need to. We're gonna go to the mall.
What's the?
Then came Dollarama. I was really excited to go here. I knew the prices might be different, but seeing it in real time. We're in Dollarama, and I guess Dollarama is the Dollar Tree. So this one is $3. Just to give you an idea of the differences between Dollarama and the Dollar Tree. Some of the stuff are very different, but the prices are also very different. Like, I remember when I got these at the Dollar Tree for $1. I feel like now they would just be $1.25. These are $2, but we also are talking dollar to dollar, so US to Canadian. So for us, that would be so worth it. But looking at the exchange rate dollar for dollar, everything was so affordable. This is interesting. $3. And interesting. Okay. Wave. Wave to the camera. She's hiding herself. That was my mom hiding from the camera. My parents are not big fans of the camera at all. A storage bag, $2.50. It's a storage bag. You put your stuff in it and then you suction it back out. They have rugs. Very lightweight, not very durable, but these are like $5. And they have a little bit of an assortment here. They're all between $4 and $5. This one is a fluffier, but the quality is not that great as you would expect. So this is $5. This one is actually pretty good. For $5, that's a good price, but it's kind of small. Oxy. $4.25 for the Oxy, and the Resolve Oxy Action is $4.25. Oh, Nick would love this. It's a cheese set. $5. I'm gonna have to show him this. But would I get it? Probably not. But the plastic on the bottom is not very aesthetic, but it's Christmassy for the green. And if you need a cheese set, you can buy one for $5. Cute. Soy sauce. Cute. $1.25. It's soy sauce. Funny, the Five Alive is $1.75. The waffle, the corn cones, and the bowls, $2.25. Oh my gosh, you guys have life easy here. $1.75 for some Tang. I don't use powdered Tang, but hey, this is not normally our prices. $3.25. This makes how many servings? Let us see. How many servings does this make? Doesn't tell you total servings. I don't know. It doesn't say. How many servings? I don't know. It doesn't tell me. Look at this mirror. Isn't it so cute? Look. I mean, they're scuffy, but outside of that, aren't they cute? Super aesthetic looking. And these are $4.75. They fall super flat so you can travel. We had a long day. My mom was really, really tired and wanted to go home and get some sleep. So Nick and I decided to have some dinner over at the casino. We didn't need a full night out. Okay.
Oh man. Okay, I'm making this for you, Larry. Thank you.
We just needed to sit and enjoy the company of each other.